Collections here, and I'm back again with another video. I'm going to speak a little loud in this video because my fan is on and I want you guys to hear me. But I have the same shirt on the video because it's filmed in the same day, of course, period. But today is basically me working. Okay, I'm basically strictly working. It is currently, let's see, let's go ahead and let y'all know the time real quick. It is July 14th, 9:53 p.m. and I'm still working. I'm still working. I'm still grinding. Okay, period. I was like, today's my off day. I'm strictly doing business. Like, I'm strictly doing business. It's not no, it's like an off day for my 9 to 5 job, but it's like I'm still going to be busy because I have a business to tend to, and you know you got to be consistent with your business at all times. So I'm on it. But right now, I'm finna to work, write things down that I need to get done. I did do a little mini list this morning. I always do. And this list is done. It says take product pictures, post reel. I did that early in the morning. Filmed a inventory haul video. I did that as well. And you guys see this video after that video, so y'all already seen that video. Sent out email. I sent out 2 emails actually, y'all. I'm proud of myself. And then post content at 3 o'clock p.m., which that's what I scheduled content. So I've been posted it earlier. Now I'm just finna do what I gotta do, and then also gotta tell you guys some updates, some things. So yeah, I'm about to how I look, you guys. Y'all know this is how I be looking. So if you don't like it, go ahead and click off this video because I don't have time for anybody's mess. But yeah, this binding is done for. I know you don't have to tell me. But anyway, y'all, I have a couple events that's coming up. Well, it's only one event coming up, but then I have things releasing in the next couple months. So I'm excited about that. It's just a lot of stress put on me. So, but I'm still getting to the bag, y'all. Okay? Period. Make sure y'all shop HONEYLUSHESCOLLECTIONS.com or whatever. But yeah, I have a back to school event that I'm attending for my products and stuff. So I'm gonna have my little products set up. I'm gonna have my products set up so people can purchase and stuff like that. So it's kind of like a pop-up shop, but yeah, it's technically a pop-up shop. People can come shop with your girl. And yeah, y'all. So I got that coming, and that's July 24th. I also have something that I am releasing for my business August the 1st. I have something else coming up September 25th, which is our what is it, our anniversary, our 1-year anniversary. So y'all, and that's in like 2 months, y'all. It's gonna be our 1-year anniversary, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself that I am keeping up this business for like a whole year, and I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy. Like, literally, me really keeping up a business like this for a whole year straight. That tells you it tells you that I'm really into this business, like into English Collection. Like, this is my brand, okay? This is my baby. If you mess with my baby, you're messing with me, and I don't like that, okay? I don't like that at all. So yeah. So I'm so proud of myself that I even dang near already made it to a year. And it actually went fast. Like literally I didn't know it would be that fast. Ooh. Sorry y'all, this little new ring light is kinda, it's all new to me. So I'm trying to, but anyway, my fault. The lighting is changing. But anyway, I have things coming up. And I want to do a photo shoot. Like, I kind of want to do a photo shoot, but I don't really know about the photo shoot. I'm still planning for it. Like I said, I'm stressed. Like, it's stressing me out. The things that I have to do, and I procrastinate a lot, and I don't just get things done. I procrastinate. So it's going to be hard for me to even, get stuff together, because I know me. So yeah, I'm writing a couple things down. But yeah, y'all, I'm just trying to really work hard. Like literally, I'm trying to work my hardest. Like when I don't have work, when I don't work my 9 to 5 job, I'm in my business room. Like literally, like I'm in my business room working. That's that. So yeah. So yeah. But back to the photo shoot thing, I'm trying to see what I want to do. If I want to do a product photo shoot, or just like, or my body with my products, and me doing a whole photo shoot. Like I don't know, just products or just my body. I don't know what I want to do. To be honest, I'm thinking, y'all. Okay, y'all. So here is the Dollar Tree bag or whatever. So I picked up some of these Rubbermaid take-along containers. And it's like a really cute teal color. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It's pretty. Comes with 2 deep containers. That's what I need for my body scrubs and stuff like that. So I picked up this. Next, I picked up some spoons because I need like utensils to mix with, okay? Like, and then all I do is just throw these away when I get done with them. Very easy to use. Mix what I gotta mix and throw it away. Period. Simple and easy. I also have some bowls as well. I didn't get these today, but I got these from Dollar Tree. They're very easy and to mix things in and dump it after you're done with it. It's no need for all that like expensive stuff, like expensive bowls and stuff. You go to Dollar Tree and get what you gotta get at a cheap price or whatever the case may be. Simple. Did I show y'all my sample jars? I think I did. I did show y'all my sample jars that I'm coming out with. Samples. Period, y'all. I'm coming out with samples. I'm not telling y'all when. Just put on y'all calendars that Honeylicious Collections is launching something soon. Soon. Very soon, y'all. So just be on the lookout for that. Don't mind my fan in the background. Don't mind anything in the background, cause yeah. But ooh, yes. All I do mix dump. So my camera cut off. I don't know how it cut off, when it cut off. But if y'all want to know what lip gloss I got on that's giving what it's supposed to be gave, it is by Noisy Cosmetics, but her name is not Noisy Cosmetics anymore. I think it's like Nani Leaks or something. I don't know, y'all. I forgot. I'm sorry, but this is what it looked like. I know I'm butchering her name, business name. I'm sorry, but this lip gloss is giving what it's supposed to be gave. Literally. And I'm surprised I still have it. Like, literally, it's still giving what it's supposed to be gave. But, y'all, I'm finna to clean up this business room. And it was just a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. Like, literally, get it together. Literally, I have boxes in my room, trash filled to the top, desk looking like what's going on, who did it, what for, not it. Over here, a lot of stuff going on. Over here, it's not nothing wrong with it. It's kind of unorganized right here. Over here on my shelf. Let me show y'all my shelf real quick. Okay, my shelf is okay. It's not messy. It's pretty much organized. These right here is my sample containers, which look like this. My mixer's right there too, but it's actually giving what it's supposed to be gave. Let me put y'all down a little bit and give y'all the whole shabam. The shabam. Look at these lips. But anyway, over here I have my box of shea butter and all this stuff. Like everything's organized, so I don't have to mess with it or anything. But like what I just showed y'all, I need to fix that because it's looking a mess. I got inventory just like laid out. I don't know what I'm doing, but inventory that I opened up today is just laid out. Like literally, it's that everywhere because I need more storage. Like I got these 2 storage containers here, and then this shelf right here. But it's like this shelf right here. But it's like I need to get more storage. Like literally, like I need more space. Like this room, don't get me wrong, this room is big enough, but I just need more more storage because I don't have it. So yeah, but I'm gonna get back to you guys at another time or when I get done cleaning. And I'll get back at you guys. Bye, my honeys. This is me just kind of finishing off this vlog that I started yesterday. But I'm in the middle of making body butters and stuff. And I'm not going to include me making the body butters today. Because I have, sorry y'all, I have a whole bunch on my YouTube channel already. So I'm not going to flood y'all with how to make body butters. But I'm letting you guys know what I be using though. I know that. I can do that. So this is my mango butter. Let y'all get a little. And I get all of my shea butters and butters from Wholesale Supplies Plus. They're very cheap. Here is my ultra refined shea butter. I'm not using any oils in this batch today because this is just gonna be my natural body butter, and it's nothing but mango butter and some shea butter. Stay, baby girl, stay. But yeah, so I'm back on my grinding. Okay, period, poo. But anyway, I have my cute little white little mixers, mini or whatever, but it does the job. Period. But yeah, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. And, peace.